Hi, this is Sangeeta Manna. I am here back again with your English grammar classes. Today my topic is parts of speech. Today I will be teaching you noun and other parts of speech will be continued in my subsequent videos. Thank you. What is parts of speech? Words are divided into different kinds or classes called parts of speech according to their use and according to the work they do in a sentence. There are 8 kinds of parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So let's start with nouns, and the contents of our chapter is what are nouns, kind of nouns and explanation. So what are nouns? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. For example, Ramesh is a good boy. Here Ramesh and boy both are nouns, while Ramesh is a proper noun, boy is a common noun. Mainly there are two types of nouns, proper noun and common noun. In common noun we find collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. What is a proper noun? A proper noun is the name of some particular person or place. For example, Sir APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India. Here both APJ Abdul Kalam and India are proper noun because they refer to a particular person and a particular country. Proper nouns, there are some notes which you can learn, like proper nouns are always written with a capital letter at the beginning. Proper nouns are sometimes even used as a common noun, like Kalidas is often called as the Shakespeare, the great dramatist of India. Here Shakespeare is a proper noun, but in this sentence it is used as a common noun. What is the common noun? A common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose refers to a particular person, so it is a proper noun. But freedom fighter refers to all the freedom fighters, so it is a common noun. Common noun includes collective nouns, abstract nouns and material nouns. What is a collective noun? A collective noun is the name of a number or collection of persons or things taken together. Like a fleet of ships or vessels means a collection of ships or vessels. An army of soldiers means a collection of soldiers. Let's see some more examples of collective nouns, like a quiver of arrows, a horde of savages, a bevy of quail, a catch of fish, a cloud of insects, a nest of mice, a hive of bees, a pride of lions, a chest of drawers, a swarm of bees, a pack of owls, a shower of rain. These all are collective nouns, like these things are in collection. Abstract noun. An abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, action or state considered apart from the object to which it belongs, like childhood. Examples, let's know about some examples of abstract noun, like some examples of quality are goodness, kindness, darkness, hardness, brightness, honesty, wisdom and bravery. Some examples of action are laughter, theft, movement, judgment and hatred. And some examples of state are childhood, boyhood, youth, slavery, sickness, death and poverty. Now we are going to learn from where we can get abstract nouns. We can form abstract nouns from adjectives, like we can get kindness from kind, honesty from honest. We can also get abstract nouns from verbs, like obedience from obey, growth from grow. We can also get abstract nouns from some common nouns, like childhood from child, slavery from slave. There are some other classifications of noun also, like countable noun and uncountable noun. The objects or people which we can count are called countable nouns, like book, pen, apple, boy, sister, dog, cat, etc. And the nouns which we can't count are called uncountable noun, like milk, sugar, gold, honesty, etc. Countable nouns have plural forms, whereas uncountable noun doesn't have any plural form. Like we can say books from book, but we can't say milks from milk. What is a material noun? A material noun refers to a material or substance from which we can make some other things, like silver, gold, iron, cotton, diamond and plastic. Here are some examples which you can see in the screen. This is silver, this is iron, and these are all material nouns. We can make jewelry from gold and silver, so gold and silver is a material noun. We can make pots from iron, so iron is a material noun. Hope you got the topic. Stay home, stay safe. I'll be coming with other parts of speech in my subsequent videos. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.